Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. My name is Yusuf guys, and today I will teach you how you can make money from digital products. I did it before guys. I make thousands of dollars with selling digital products, and today I will explain how you can sell it, how you can find your digital product, and how you can marketing it. How I know, because I did it before and I get thousands of the sales guys, with hundreds of profit margin. There's a lot of the margin guys. There's a niche, of course. You can choose one of the niche. There's the ebooks and goods guys. For example, me, I started selling with ebooks. For example, I translated the English ebook I found in Google. I downloaded it and I translated it with AI tools guys, and so I sell them with for example, in German language, on Turkish language, I marketed them and I sell them. But no, I use the Facebook marketing. That means you need to money it, but it's my strategy guys. If you have money, you can use my strategy. Find a book on Google, for example Harry Potter, and download this PDF. I give example Harry Potter guys, but I don't think that you can sell Harry Potter. It's so competitive, you know. You just it was, for example, it just you need to find the trend book guys and translate it with AI tools and market them with new language. For example, I found the PDF in the English language and I translated it Turkish, and I sell the PDF for Turkish people. Of course, you can target it with SIM card, or you can target it with Facebook ads, or you can use VPN, of course. It was my own strategy, guys. I make thousands of my money with this strategy with ebooks. And second one, guys, is online course and webinars. So just you need to have a skill for this, but if you don't have any skill, for example, it was scam, but I don't recommend it. But if you want, you can do it. You can download the Udemy course, but first of all you need to buy it. You need to pay it for Udemy course. Buy it and download it. For example, you buy it for $5, sell it for $10, and you just need to pay once. After the paying fees, you can sell many of them, but it's a lag. It's a not good thing. I don't recommend it, but you need the money now. You can use it. There's no problem if you don't get it. Just you can use it. Or of course, if you have any skill, you can market it. You know, if I have sales skill, I take the video and say to your followers, I can teach you how I selling, how you can sell. I can teach you guys. Tell this of your followers, but you need followers. This takes around 1 or 2 months if you know how to create content, and after 1-2 months you can sell your online course for your followers. The most of YouTubers does this, and this is not scam. This is a online course. You just find your patient. And third one is software and apps, but you just know how to develop software tools, apps, or plugins and solve specific problems. If you know programming, you can do it. Create the app, sell the app. Easy. It was really easy, but most of them you don't know programming, and I will pass this. Third one is digital art and designs. Sell digital art, illustrations, graphic designs, or templates on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or Adobe. You can sell these guys, but you can use AI for designs. You can the AI can help you for making a good designs, and you can use AI for your job. But not only digital art and designs. Of course, you can also use photographing, and you can sell on Adobe Creative, Adobe Stock, your photos. You just need to take photo, interesting things like birds or something interesting, and sell them on Adobe Creative. They use your Creative Commons, you know, you can sell your photos, digital art, and designs on the digital products. These are actually perfect for you. And end of the music and audio. Produce your ads and music tracks, sound effects for audiobooks. Audiobooks, I can recommend audiobooks, guys, because there's a many. You can just only find a PDF. I tell this first of the video, beginning of the video. Find a PDF and convert this text to audio with AI tools. You can use AI and it will be easy. Just easy. And just for everything, guys, you just need the followers or audience, content, start creating content and start selling these digital products, ebooks, online course, apps, digital art, designs, photos, and music, audio. You can just start with them. If you like my videos, guys, you can just subscribe. Goodbye. See you.